Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 4 series. So previously we looked into business organization can be categorized into several bases, under which the first one being businesses based on ownership. So today we'll look into sole proprietorship that comes under that category. Sole proprietorship. This is where the ownership of the business is held by one individual and there is no distinction between the owner and the business. Let's look into the characteristics of sole proprietorship. The ownership. There is only one owner. Owner provides the capital. All decisions are made by the owner. Unlimited liability. There is no legal entity. Registering the business is not compulsory, but if the business name is not carried out in the full name of the owner, then it has to be registered under the Business Names Ordinance number 6 of 1918. So he enjoys the profits and losses alone, not liable for taxes in the name of the business. The owner would have to report his income on their personal tax return. It's not compulsory to maintain accounts and conduct audits. No continuity of business. So if the owner dies, then the business would also end from that point. Dissolution could also be done if the owner wishes, or due to the death of the owner. So the following procedures should be followed when registering the sole proprietors. Application form for the registration of the business names of a sole proprietorship should be obtained from the Divisional Secretariat Office of the area. A report should be obtained from the Grama Niladhari for the registration of a business name. Submission of the completed registration form, the report obtained from the Grama Niladhari, and relevant registration fee to the Divisional Secretary. The Divisional Secretary will issue the certificate of business name after taking the above facts into consideration. The advantages of starting a sole trader business. It's easy to initiate. All profits belong to the owner. Ability to make independent decision making. Fewer rules and regulations. Business info could be kept confidentially. Easy for dissolution. Disadvantages of starting a sole trader. Unlimited liability for the owner. There is no legal entity. No continuity. Insufficient capital for large-scale operations. Losses should be borne alone. Lack of ideas to make long-term decisions. Death of the owner may generate a business dissolution. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.